Understanding fragile trust, an essential English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, fragile trust. This phrase is not just about words, but about emotions and relationships. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Fragile trust is a phrase that combines two powerful words, fragile, which means something that is easily broken or damaged, and trust, the belief in the reliability or truth of someone or something. When put together, fragile trust refers to a situation where the trust between people is delicate and can be easily broken. It's like a thin piece of glass that can shatter with the slightest impact. To better understand fragile trust, let's look at some examples. In relationships, when someone says, "We have a fragile trust after the argument," it means that their trust in each other is weakened and vulnerable. In a professional context, if a manager says, "There's a fragile trust between the team and the new leader," it indicates that the team is uncertain about trusting the new leader fully. Now, let's practice using fragile trust in sentences. 1. After the scandal, the public's fragile trust in the government was further damaged. 2. Their friendship had a fragile trust due to past misunderstandings. Understanding fragile trust also involves knowing how to mend it. Here are some tips. Communication. Open and honest communication is key to rebuilding trust. Consistency. Showing consistent behavior helps in regaining lost trust. Remember, fragile trust is a delicate aspect of human interactions. It's important to handle it with care. I hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, fragile trust, effectively in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.